Ever find yourself stuck in an endless loop of typing the same responses over and over? I've been there. Picture this. You're managing your digital business from a cozy cafe in Bali, responding to client emails all day, and your fingers are practically on autopilot typing identical answers repeatedly. Sounds familiar? Well, what if I told you I discovered a tool that saves me over 3 hours every week in my digital nomad business? That's like gaining back half a workday to explore that hidden waterfall or catch that perfect sunset. Discover how Fly MSG can transform your daily communication. Hey there, freedom seekers. Welcome back to Digital Nomad Institute, your go-to channel for uncovering those hidden gems in the digital toolbox that mainstream tech channels rarely talk about. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to Fly MSG, a game-changing text expander that's become my secret weapon for efficient communication. As a digital nomad juggling multiple clients across different time zones, I've been using FlyMSG for the past 3 months, and let me tell you, it's completely transformed how I handle my daily communications. In this review, we'll dive deep into how this powerful tool can save you hours of typing while helping you maintain professional, consistent communication with your clients and team members. Everything you need to know about FlyMSG. Let's start with the core features that make FlyMSG stand out. At its heart, this tool allows you to create unlimited text shortcuts with custom triggers and formatted responses. Imagine typing "thanks" and having it instantly expand into your perfectly crafted thank you message, complete with your signature and formatting. The real magic of FlyMSG shines in practical applications. Whether you're handling customer service inquiries, managing multiple social media accounts, or running your freelance business, this tool adapts to your needs. For instance, I use it to respond to common questions about my consulting packages, one shortcut, and boom, a perfectly formatted response every time. Getting started is incredibly simple. Head over and click on the link in the description, and you'll be up and running in under 2 minutes. Let me show you how I set up my first shortcut. It's literally as easy as copy, paste, and assign a trigger. Here's a live demo of how I use FlyMSG in my daily workflow. Watch this. By typing these simple shortcuts, I'm saving roughly 15 minutes per day on routine communications. Now, let's talk about some pro features that really level up your game. FlyMSG supports variables for personalizing messages, HTML formatting for those fancy emails, and cross-device syncs so your shortcuts follow you everywhere. I personally love using variables to automatically insert client names and project details. Let's break down the cost-benefit analysis. FlyMSG offers a free tier that's perfect for getting started, while the premium features unlock advanced capabilities like cloud sync and unlimited shortcuts. When you consider that it saves me 3 hours weekly, the premium version pays for itself in just days. Take action and boost your productivity today. After 3 months of daily use, I can confidently say that FlyMSG is an absolute must-have for digital nomads, freelancers, and anyone looking to communicate more efficiently. Whether you're working from Chiang Mai or Medellin, this tool will transform your workflow. Quick recap. You're getting powerful text expansion, custom shortcuts, and significant time savings all in one elegant package. Think about what you could do with those extra hours each week. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join our Digital Nomad Institute community. We're always exploring new tools and strategies to enhance your location-independent lifestyle. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below, sharing your favorite text expansion shortcuts, or let me know what productivity tools you'd like me to review next. Let's build this productivity-focused community together. Until next time, keep exploring, stay productive, and embrace the freedom of the digital nomad life.